Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm doing a everyday carry video. So, like normal, this is the first thing is I carry around a watch. I carry around a watch every day. It's just a call. If you can see that right at the tip right there. It says Calusa. And then this little, I don't carry it around me, it's a little knife I have. And yeah. And then this is the knife I normally carry around. Well, I have bigger knives that I carry around, but this is one of the ones that I just throw in my pocket. And then another little knife I just put in my pocket. And the special thing I need is I put duct tape, and it's a card holder. So it has my cards in it. So, yeah. And then, of course, bracelet. It's a paracord bracelet, and I don't know how much paracord it has on it, but it has a good amount of paracord. So if I had to, I could take that off and make something, or do SOS, or something. And then whenever I'm in like the wilderness in Alabama, like I'm hunting, I'll bring this knife right here. It's a bigger knife. It's a pretty good sized. It's like a pretty good sized knife right here. It has black paracord, and I put that on it. Put it on your hand, and then in the sheath it has a little bit of fishing line. So if I go fishing, I have my, I'm gonna make a little thing that has fishing lures and stuff like that. But this has some fishing line, so I can use this piece as a reel and find a hook and stuff like that. So that's my everyday carry. We say boom, case, fishing line. This is for hunting. And then bracelet, always carry around. That's my card holder, my knife, my other knife. 1 second. Okay, my other knife, my other littler knife, and then my watch. I didn't tell you earlier, but it's water resistant up to 100 meters. It says that right down there at the bottom. So, peace.